Every summer, two types of people emerge: the ones who waste it and the ones who use it. In 90 days, you could be unrecognizable, mentally sharper, physically stronger, and one step ahead of everyone else. This is your summer arc. The only question is, are you ready? Think about your favorite anime, movie, or story. The hero always has a turning point, a period of intense growth. That's what summer is for you. School is out. The distractions slow down. The world hits pause. But this is where you hit play. In the next few minutes, I'll give you the exact blueprint to turn your summer into a transformation arc. No fluff, just straight-up execution. Phase 1, Identity Shift, days 1 to 7. First, decide who you're becoming, not what you want, who you want to be by the end of summer. Fit, disciplined, confident, skilled. Pick a vision, lock it in. The mistake most people make: they set random goals. Instead, set a character goal, who you are at the end of this journey. Write it down, visualize it. This is your script. You're the main character. Phase 2, the physical level up, days 8 to 30. A weak body creates a weak mind, and weak minds don't win. Rule number 1, train every day. No debate, strength, endurance, mobility, just move. Rule number 2, fix your fuel. 80% of your body is what you eat. Cut the junk. Rule number 3, sleep like your gains depend on it, because they do. By the end of this phase, you should feel stronger, faster, and more in control of your energy than ever before. Phase 3, mental mastery, days 31 to 50. Your mind is your greatest weapon. Sharpen it. Mindset shift. The way you think determines the way you act. Non-negotiables: daily meditation, clarity, journaling, self-awareness, reading, mental expansion, the distraction. Detox, social media, endless scrolling, cut it. Reclaim your focus. By now, you're not just working harder, you're thinking smarter. Phase 4, the skill upgrade, days 51 to 75. Every great summer arc has a power-up moment. This is yours. Pick one skill that will give you an edge, something future you will thank you for. Examples: public speaking, video editing, copywriting, coding, something that compounds over time. Go all in. Daily practice, no excuses. By this point, you're sharper, stronger, and equipped with a new weapon in your arsenal. Phase 5, the final challenge, days 76 to 90. A hero's journey isn't complete without the final test. Time to prove yourself. Set a challenge. Launch your first YouTube video. Run a 5K. Earn your first dollar online. Execute. No more prep, no more waiting. This is the boss battle. By the end of summer, you'll look back and realize this wasn't just another break. It was your breakthrough. You've just completed your summer arc. You're not the same person who started. You move differently, think differently, operate on a different level. The best part? This is just the beginning. Drop a comment. What's one upgrade you're making this summer? Let's make this the biggest transformation season of your life. And if you're ready to level up, hit that subscribe button. Your journey starts now.